What's going on, guys? Welcome to Invest with Purpose. Today's video, we're going to be talking about Robinhood and what is going to happen with the potential listing that we have all been waiting for, and we've been seeing more and more little leaks and clues kind of that are pointing us in the direction to more so confirm or foreshadow the fact that Shiba Inu will be listed on Robinhood. Also, we're going to be covering today whether or not it would be beneficial to Robinhood, and that is one of the things that I believe is true and a reason why I think that they are actually going to be listing it. Of course, we all want to see it listed on Robinhood because it is obviously going to be a big catalyst. There are a lot of users on Robinhood. I personally use Robinhood because it's just user-friendly, super simple to navigate. It's easy to see everything that you're looking for. The search, everything is just all right there in your face and easy to find what you're looking for. If you're looking for a specific stock, all you do is type it in to the search bar and you'll find it. If you're looking for a specific cryptocurrency, there are cryptocurrency slots. However, something that has been a huge kind of setback for Robinhood, unlike other places like Webull or a couple other things like crypto.com or Binance or other things like that, crypto-specific exchanges, those ones have a lot more options than somewhere like Robinhood that only has about 9, I believe. And honestly, it just kind of setting it back and holding it back from a large portion of people that they could be reaching besides just stock people. To me, it's a little surprising to see that they have not added more, given that Dogecoin was such a huge success for them. Obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the 2 largest in the world, so of course those are going to be on there, and those have done probably somewhat well for them. But there was an article that was released that Dogecoin had a large percentage of its total revenue from cryptocurrency, and I believe that that is something that is going to drive them to add Shiba Inu because of their similarities. But back to my initial point. Obviously, like I said, we want Robinhood to be listed, or not Robinhood to be listed, Shiba Inu to be listed on Robinhood. And it'll be a big catalyst for us when we want to make money. However, it would do just as well for Robinhood, and it would get a lot of exposure out to Robinhood. I know it's crazy saying that a coin or something could give more exposure to Robinhood, but it actually went up in price because if you think about it, like, yeah, Robinhood is this huge company and Shiba Inu is a young thing that has grown a lot and it has a lot of hype, but it's not nearly as solidified. That may be true. However, just by the rumors, I'm going to set up a screenshot right here, just by the rumors alone, Robinhood had jumped 1.5% almost, or 1.3%, something like that, in one day after mentioning Shiba Inu in their Twitter post. Now, that could be a coincidence, sure, maybe, or it just happened. I don't think so, though. We have a huge community behind Shiba Inu, and it's like a cult-like following because they are so passionate, and every time that I try to play devil's advocate or something like that, I often get a little criticized, but I understand, and it's kind of one of the reasons why I like the coin so much is because it has so much support behind it. And that's one of the beautiful things about Shiba Inu. It has a great foundation of not only just a community and a lot of hype, but also the technicalities behind the coin with its ecosystem and everything that it has to offer for the community. Also with the NFTs and everything that have been dropping and different stuff that they want to do with the coin. And we're also in the beginning phases of Shiba Inu. If you guys did not know, there are many phases to the Shiba Inu ecosystem and how they present it and how they choose to go in the future. And it's all mapped out for us on the wolf paper. If you guys have not checked that out, go check out the wolf paper because it kind of runs down everything about what the coin is all about, where it's going in the future, and just some kind of projections, even though it's ran by its community and it is up to us to decide what is going to happen in the future. At the end of the day, it still has an overall plan and idea of how we're going to push out more of that. Because once you think about it, we have Bone and all those other things that are awesome about the ecosystem. And with Bone, you guys know I'm a big advocate for Bone. With Bone, having the voting rights to be able to push out new things and basically give a voice in this community, I think that that's going to be a huge thing for us because I think a lot of people love the idea of Shiba Inu and all that stuff, but there's also a bunch of people who are very deep into it that would love to help shape the overall picture of Shiba Inu. And I think that even the people who aren't super deep and don't have the deepest of pockets, I think it still is nice to feel like you're a part of something and a part of a bigger decision that will basically take your own investment. You're in control of it a little bit, which is just really cool. And if you guys haven't checked that out, I'll make a video about that and how Bone is working and how it's planned to work. But at the end of the day, it's a voting system. And I know at the end of the day, this is all about Robinhood, but it's kind of important to understand the overall ecosystem when it comes to what's about to happen in fresh news, because the old stuff is just as important as the new stuff. Old stuff being the foundation of Shiba Inu as a whole, and the new stuff being the potential listing of Robinhood, which could be, I don't want to say it because we've had some big listings already, being Coinbase, Binance, and so many others, but I don't know, this could be the biggest listing of all, because Robinhood, like I said, is so user friendly and it's just the best for all of them, that I think that it's just something that also has that Dogecoin tie, which Robinhood was the first to really blow up Dogecoin, and that was where all the hype and the challenge came from on TikTok. And I don't know, maybe we'll see another challenge like that. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but there was a challenge on TikTok that formulated behind Dogecoin, which is what made people start to pump it. And if we see that same thing with Shiba Inu, we could see some parabolic movement upwards, even more than what we've already seen. If you guys are still here and still watching, please go down and smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, because it helps me out quite a bit in the YouTube algorithm. Let me know also what type of content you guys want to see, or what type of coins you guys are interested in, or if you're more interested in any type of stocks or anything like that. I am well versed in multiple types of investing, and I want to branch out, but at the same time, I know I've built this community with Shiba Inu, and I don't want to stray away from that too much, because I do care about the coin, I care about you guys, and I want to give you guys what you want in this community. But at the same time, it's very important to diversify, and I'm probably just going to start pushing out content about stocks, just about different stuff, about what the overall stock market is doing, why it's doing what it's doing, just different stuff like that. A person who kind of does something like what I want to do is Meet Kevin, and Meet Kevin has just posted a couple videos about Shiba Inu. So has Graham Stephan. These are big names, and I'm going to make a separate video about them specifically, because they are very important, and the fact that they are pushing or talking about Shiba Inu in a way that no other big YouTubers have in the finance industry, it is or not in finance industry, finance sector category of YouTube. This is very, very huge news for us, and I will definitely be talking about them in the near future. Anyhow, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to invest every second of every day with a purpose. Don't forget also to go down and subscribe to the Patreon if you guys would like to one-on-one sessions with me. If you already have the Patreon program and you have not reached out to me about your monthly one-on-ones, reach out to me on Discord. Also, join the free Discord if you would like to. There's a community of people who talk back and forth in there. Now that I'm back, hopefully we get that bumping again. There's about 500-600 people in there, trying to grow it more and more. But thank you guys all for supporting me. I will catch you guys later. Peace.